Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy TEMU stocks on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to know as of the latest update, TEMU is a subsidiary of Pinduoduo, a major Chinese e-commerce company. If you want to invest in TEMU, you would need to buy shares of PDD Holdings, which is listed in Nasdaq Stock Exchange. Here's how you can do it. Open a brokerage account. If you don't already have a brokerage account, you'll need to open one. Popular online brokerages include Robinhood, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity. Follow the account setup process. Then fund your account, search for PDD Holdings, and place an order and confirm the purchase. You can't directly buy TEMU accounts share, so you have to buy the PDD Holdings stocks. And that's it. That's how you buy TEMU's stock. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.